Before I introduce myself, before I introduce the house, I want to introduce this. This is the Shopify Counter. But for me, it's not just a device. This video isn't about tech, it's about timing. There are moments in building something where progress becomes tangible, where what you've been preparing for quietly becomes real. This counter represents that shift. Okay, so this is the one I got, the Shopify counter. Get done and make it count. Absolutely. You know what's funny? When I was the idea I had of opening this counter, I was gonna do. I don't know if y'all remember in Toy Story 1, Sid, when he gets the rocket towards the end of the movie, and he'd be like, it finally came, and then he hurry up, open it up, and he'd be like, the big one. I literally was gonna do that and make that my whole thing for this one, but I didn't get the big one. I got the small one. So I'm like, will that give it the same effect? I don't know. So I decided not to do that. But that was my idea. I was gonna make it look funny. I like that kind of stuff. Anyway, so let's open it. To most people, this is a point of sale system, a tool for transactions. And while that may be true, to me, it's infrastructure. It means the house is preparing to receive guests. It means the systems are being put in place. It means intention is turning into structure. And structure is what allows things to last. I believe in building from the inside out, not rushing the front facing parts before the foundation is ready. That's why this moment matters. Before the products are introduced, before the experience is revealed, the house needs systems that can support care, clarity, and consistency. This isn't about selling, it's about stewardship. I'm not building a brand that moves fast and forgets people. I'm building a house, a place where details matter, where preparation is respected, where every decision has a reason. So I'm still trying to decide exactly where I want to place the Shopify counter. I know to everybody else it's just like, and I know Shopify has it for you to count orders to see how many is coming in to keep you motivated to keep going. And yes, it does do that, but for me, I feel like it does a little bit more, and it means a little bit more to me than just counting orders, and that does matter, but it's more to it. It's just like infrastructure, for me. So I really want to decide. I haven't decided, I should say, as of yet, where I want to place it, whether it be in the showroom, the fulfillment area, or by my desk. I'm just not sure as of yet. The plastic is still on because I'm trying to decide where I want to place it before I take everything off. This counter is one of those decisions. Nothing is live yet. Nothing is being sold. But the house is opening. This is episode 0.